Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you easy and quick way to make homemade peanut butter. This peanut butter is free from preservative, refined sugar and fat. Continue watching to find out how I make this creamy, thick, homemade peanut butter. This peanut butter, you need roasted peanuts. I've already roasted the peanuts, so I'm going to peel the peanut to remove the peanut skin. When I'm done peeling the peanut, I'll add the peanut into the blender. You can add salt. I will cover the blender and blend. I'll blend on a low speed to crush the peanuts. Notice that the peanut has been crushed. I'll bring out and mix and continue blending. At this stage, I'll blend on a high speed until the peanut butter is formed. Finally, the homemade peanut butter is ready. You can transfer the peanut butter in airtight container. This is a healthy and easy way to make your homemade peanut butter, and it is so cheap, free from preservative, refined sugar and oil. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.